Hello everybody, this is my 2006 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. Today I'm changing out this halogen light bulb for my LED light, and I'm changing out these turn signals as well to LED and my rear turn signals as well, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this job is pretty simple on this bike. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. You just unscrew this bolt right here and the clamp will come off. This one has not been moved in a while. All right. Take the bolt out, then this clip should come off. There you go. Then this ring right here comes out. And then you're gonna have your clip right here. There's gonna be two pinch prongs on the side. Pinch those in, take that out. Now you have your light bulb out. All right. Then you grab your new LED bulb. I got mine off Amazon on a Black Friday deal. So I got mine it was like 15 bucks cheaper, but I'll put the link in the description. So if you do want to put this on your bike, you're able to. It comes plug and play ready. You just plug this right into here. So I had forgotten this piece right here. This comes off the old headlight. This goes around the new one on the back of it before you plug it in. And there's gonna be, so there's gonna be like an inside and an outside of the ring. The outside is gonna go down, and you're gonna line it up with your, on the light, you're gonna see a DOT right here, a DOT SAE. I believe that's the top of the light. I'm gonna use that as the top of the light because it's, you read it upside right, how, like this. So I'm just gonna assume that's the right side up. So you're gonna plug everything in now. Now everything is plugged in. Put in your light. And you match it up with these little lips right here. These little lips. And then you're gonna grab your metal shroud. This also is gonna have metal lips on the shroud here. And right here. Those are gonna match up with those on the bike. So get everything on. Okay, now that's on. That DOT is lined up with that. Oh, come on. There we go. All right. Then you put your screw back in, make sure it's level up. Don't cross thread it. That would not be a fun time. Put your screw back in. And you got your light bulb in.